Hello students, welcome to the channel Brain Drain. This video is for class 10th math chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables part 4. In this video, we will study the elimination method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. In the previous video, we studied substitution method. Now, next is elimination method. As I told you, elimination method means eliminate one variable from both the equations. Then we will able to find the value of another variable. So, how to eliminate the one variable, any one variable from both the equations? So step by step we will do. So I have taken question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, third part. There are four parts in this question. I have taken third. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, and the second equation is 9x equal to 2y plus 7. First is that you first convert these both equations in standard form. So 3x minus 5y equal to 4, first equation, and the second will be 9x minus 2y equal to 7. In this equation I have shifted this negative 4 here, so it will be shifted in positive, and in this I have shifted this plus 2y here, so it will be shifted in negative. Fine. Now how to eliminate any one variable? First of all, you choose any one variable from both x or y, it's your wish. Choose any one variable. So I am choosing x. Why? Because for eliminating any one variable from both the equations, we need to change the constant of that variable into like terms. Means which variable we are choosing, the in the both the equations, these variables should be in the like terms. Means the constant should be same, the coefficient of x should be same. So that's why I have chosen x, because it's very easy to convert these both numbers 3 and 9 into same, because 9 is the multiple of 3. So if I will multiply by 3 in equation 1, if I will multiply by 3 in equation 1, then this value of x will be 9x. Sorry, the coefficient of x will be 9, and it's already 9. So both the coefficient of x will be same, and then I can eliminate easily. So you can choose y also, x also, but I have chosen x according to my convenience. Fine. So now what I am doing in the first step, that I am multiplying the first equation by 3. Now the question is that why I am multiplying by 3? Because I want to make equal the coefficient of x in both the equations. But now the next question arise in the mind, that can we multiply by any number or can we divide by any number in the equation? Yes. Why? Because when we will multiply this 3 in the equation, so we will multiply both the sides. मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. सपोज द इक्वेशन इज, लुक हियर, 2x plus 3 equal to 10. So I am multiplying 3 by 3 in this equation. So the rule is that I have to multiply both the sides. ठीक है. So this 3 can cut by this 3. It means we are not doing any change. हम इक्वेशन में कुछ चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम बस वैल्यूज इक्विवेलेंट कर रहे हैं. दैट्स इट. लाइक यू हैव स्टडीड द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन, तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ सेम इन द इक्वेशंस. इफ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग एनी नंबर both the sides of the equation, then it means we are not doing any change, we are just making the equivalent equation. Fine, clear hai? So it means we can multiply or we can divide by any number in the equation, but the rule is that we have to multiply both the sides. Fine. So I am multiplying by 3 in equation 1. So when we will multiply by 3 in equation 1, so keep it in your mind that you have to multiply both the sides and each and every term. So 3 into 3 9x. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बस आपने को इसको इक्विवेलेंट करना था तो आपने बस इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करा और बाकी सेम लिख दिए. नहीं, देन इट विल बी रॉन्ग. then 3 into 5 minus 15y, 3 into 4 12. So this is the new equation. So I am giving the name third equation. Now you can see the second equation. In the second equation the coefficient of x is same as the first equation. So clear, first step हो गया हमारा. क्या होता है, what is the agenda of the first step? That we have to make equal the coefficient of any one variable of both the equations. ठीक है, हमें दोनों इक्वेशन के किसी भी एक वेरिएबल का कोफिशिएंट सेम करना है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? दैट नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज नाउ सबट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन सेकंड from first. Now the question arises in the mind that why we are subtracting the equations, why we are not adding. Yes, I am clear this also. Which term you have make equal? These two, x and x, 9x 9x. If you will add these equations, can you eliminate this? No, we cannot eliminate this because in both the terms positive sign is there, so plus plus will be equal to plus, and 9 plus 9 it will be 18x. So we will not be able to eliminate this, and we need to eliminate. So if we will subtract, then we can eliminate, because 9 minus 9, 9x minus 9x will be equal to 0. तो हमारा एक ही वेरिएबल क्या हो जाएगा? एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. फाइन. And this is our agenda, that we want to eliminate one variable from both the equations. That's why I am subtracting. So subtracting the equations and adding the equations will be according to the sign of equal term in both the equations. आपको इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है या ऐड करना है, वो आपने जो टर्म इक्वल करी है उसके साइन के अकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे. अगर यहाँ पहले से ही माइनस होता देन नो नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द इक्वेशन. आप ऐड करते वो तब भी कट हो जाती, लेकिन यहाँ दोनों जगह प्लस साइन है, सो वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द इक्वेशन. सो व्हाट आई हैव रिटन, सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन सेकंड फ्रॉम वन. तो सेकंड नीचे लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट पहले लिखेंगे. नहीं, सब्ट्रैक्ट, सॉरी, वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम थर्ड, नॉट 1. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द थर्ड वन. Then because we are subtracting second from third, then we will write the second equation. So what is the rule when we subtract? That if we are subtracting this equation from first, then we have to change the sign of all the terms. So 9x is positive, it will become negative. 2y is negative, so it will become positive. 7 is positive, because no sign is there here, it means it's positive, so it will become negative. ठीक है, तो ये एलिमिनेट हो गया. 9x माइनस 9x कितना होता है? 0. नाउ you just cross this sign. Now the sign is plus, so minus plus minus होता है, and 15 minus 2 कितना हो गया? 13y. But because 15y is greater, so it will be minus 13y. And plus minus minus, so 12 minus 7, 5. So what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Minus 5 upon 13. 13 will go in division, and this minus sign we will shift this side. So we have got one variable value, but we need to get the value of both the variables. So x value is left. Now you have got the value of variable y. Now third step is that you put this value of y in any equations. You have three equations, you can take any one and you can put the value of y in that equation. So I am put the value of y in equation 1. तो क्या थी हमारी इक्वेशन 1? 3x minus 5y equal to 4. So 3x minus 5 into minus 5 upon 13 equal to 4. ठीक है. So 3x minus minus plus 5 into 5, 25 upon 13 equal to 4. हमें x निकालना है. The next term will be here, and we will shift this side. And now take LCM, or you can do directly. 13 into 4, 52. 52 minus 25, 27. 7 upon 13. So you can cut this 27 by 3 directly here, or you can shift this here in division. It's your wish. So I am cutting directly. So x value is 9 upon 13. So by elimination method, the values of x and y are 9 upon 13 and minus 5 upon 13. Again I am repeating step by step. The first step is write both the equations in standard form. Then next, choose any one variable. I have chosen x in this, and make the coefficient of these both x, means convert these both terms into like terms. Like terms means the coefficient of x should be same. So how to convert? We can multiply 3 here by 3 here, then it will be equal to 9. So next step is that you multiply by 3 in equation 1. So when you will multiply, you need to multiply by 3 in all the terms. Then you will get new equation. This is equation third. Okay, now according to the sign, you see whether you have to subtract or add. So subtract the equations, then find out the value, means by eliminating the one variable, find out the value of another variable. Then put this value of variable in any one equation and find out the value of the another variable. Fine, clear? चलिए एक पार्ट और कर लेते हैं, then it will be more clear to you. So I am taking fourth part. So let's take fourth part. This is x by 2 plus 2y upon 3 minus 1. ये first equation है. First convert this equation in standard form. Take LCM 6. So 6 by 2 3, 3 into x 3x. 6 by 3 2, 2 into 2 4y equal to minus 1. Now this 6 we will shift here in multiplication. So the equation is 3x plus 4y into minus 6. So this is your first equation. Clear hai? Now second, x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. Again LCM. So it will be 3x minus y equal to 3. Shift this there. So 3x minus y equal to 9. Second equation. Now you see in your first and second equation, no need to do that step that you are converting any one variable into like terms. Why? Because these, you can see here, the x term in both the equation is same, 3x 3x, तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. Now think that we need to add these equations or subtract. So that this is positive, this is positive, both are of same sign. मैं लिख देती हूँ यहाँ पे, if like terms of the equations are of same sign, then subtract the equations. Okay, then subtract the equations. If like terms of both the equations are of different sign, then add equations. ठीक है, ये होता है. So these both like terms are of same sign, so subtract the equation. So you write subtract equation second from first. So first write first equation 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Then second 3x minus y equal to 9. For before subtracting, change the sign. This is positive, so this will become negative. This is negative, so this will become positive. This is positive, so this will become negative. Cut. Now plus plus, ये वाला sign consider करेंगे. 5y and minus minus also plus. 9 and 6 15, but minus 15. So y value will be minus 15 upon 5 minus 3. ठीक है. Now next step, put the value of y in equation any one, but I am putting in 1. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. So 3x plus 4 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. So 3x plus minus minus 4 into 3 12. So 3x minus 6 plus 12, and x will be minus 6 plus 12 6 upon 3. So x is equal to 2. So the values are 2 and 3 answers. Fine. Now I hope that this elimination method is clear to you. So rest two parts are in homework. Now students, we will do question number 2 of exercise 3.4 word problems. Like we did in my previous video, the word problems, that I will show you that how to make the equations from word problems. The equations you will solve yourself. Okay, so start doing. First open your book, page number 57 in the NCERT, and read the word problem carefully. While watching this video, keep your book with you, because I am reading, then you look into your book. Fine, open your book fast and look into your book. The first part: if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. Fine, it becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? First of all, you see, read properly that what are they asking. They are asking the fraction. पहले सबसे पहले हमें क्या देखना है कि वो क्या पूछ रहे हैं. What are they asking? They are asking the fraction. Why I am telling this? Because what they are asking, जो वो पूछते हैं वही हम सबसे पहले let करते हैं. So first write that let the fraction be x upon y, means numerator x, denominator y. Now according to the two conditions, make two equations. So first condition, what are they saying? If we add 1 to the numerator, तो हम पहले fraction ही लिख देते हैं, then we will add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So you subtract 1 from the denominator. A fraction reduced to 1, fraction क्या हो जाता है 1, and we can write 1 in denominator. Yes. Now do the cross multiplication for making the equation. Start doing. कुछ भी नहीं होगा, 1 से 1 मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. x plus 1 will be equal to y minus 1. And then convert this equation in standard form. पहले x then y, minus 1 तो है इधर, then this plus 1 will also shift here in minus 1. So what is the equation? X minus y equal to minus 2. So this is your first equation. ठीक है, x minus y equal to minus 2. First equation बन गई. Now we will make second equation according to second condition. क्या है second condition? Read it properly. If we add only 1 in denominator, means they are doing nothing in the numerator, they are adding only 1 to the denominator. So you leave x and add 1 in the denominator. A fraction becomes 1 by 2. Again cross multiplication. 2 into x, 2x, and y plus 1 into 1 equal to y plus 1. Standard form, 2x minus y equal to 1. So this is your second equation. Now you solve these both the equations by elimination method only, because it is written in the question that you have to solve these equations by elimination method. Fine. See, if you will do like this step by step, read the equation properly, then the forming equation will not also be difficult for you. Now come to the second part. Now read it carefully. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So first I told you that you read the last line, that what are they asking? They are asking the age of Noori and Sonu. So let the age of Noori be x years. Let the age of Sonu be y years. Fine. So age questions I told you how to do. You one side write Noori and one side write Sonu. So what is the age of Noori? X. And what is the age of Sonu? Y. और बीच में क्या लगा देंगे? इक्वल साइन, बिकॉज वी आर मेकिंग द इक्वेशंस. नाउ यू कम टू द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले. सो यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम बोथ. हो गया. What happened 5 years ago? Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So we will multiply 3 in age of Sonu, not in age of Noori. Noori Sonu की age की 3 times की equal थी. Fine. So x minus 5y equal to 3y minus 15. So x, shift this here, minus 3y minus 15 plus 5. So what is the equation? X minus 3y equal to minus 10. So this is your first equation. Now come to the next equation. Again Noori, Sonu, equal sign. The condition is 10 years later. It means plus 10. 10 years later Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. तो हम सोनू के में किसकी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 2 की. So x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. Again standard form, minus 2y. 20 is already here. Shift 10. So x minus 2y equal to 10. This is your second equation. Then solve the equation and write the answer in statement, that this is the age of Sonu and this is the age of Noori. Fine. Now come to the third part. The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. So they are asking a number of 2 digits. तो 2 digit numbers में क्या क्या होता है? Ones और tens. So let the ones digit x and let the tens digit y. ठीक है. So first you make a original number. What are they saying? The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. 2 digit जो नंबर है उनकी डिजिट का सम कितना है? x plus y equal to 9. So this is your first equation, because they saying the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the numbers obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Means they are asking first to make the original number and new number, because the question is 9 times this number, means 9 times original number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So first we will make a original number जो अभी है इन digit से जो number बनेगा. कैसे बनाते हैं original number? What is the formula? So for this I will give you example. Suppose you take a number from here, suppose 15. So what is the expanded form of 15? 10 plus 5 means tens digit into 10 plus ones digit. तो यही फॉर्मूला होता है that tens digit कितनी है? y. So tens digit into 10 plus ones digit. This is the formula of making a number. So what is your number? 10y plus x. This is your original number. Fine. Now they are saying that make a new number by reversing the digits. Means now y is ones and x is tens. So what will be the new number? 10 into tens digit plus ones. So 10x plus y. So this is your original number, this is your new number. And what is the relation between these? 9 times original number. So 9 times original number is equal to twice the number, twice the new number. Now solve. I am solving it here. 9 into 10, 90y plus 9x, then 20x plus 2y. Okay, so 20x plus 90y equal to 20x plus 9x minus 9x, 20x minus 9x, and then I have shifted this 9x in minus here. Okay, and 90y minus 2y. So 20 minus 9, so 20 minus 9 11x and 88y. So we can write this 11x minus 88y equal to 0, and we can reduce this also, that x minus 8y equal to 0. I have divided this equation by 11. I told you that we can divide and multiply by any number, but we have to do this in all the terms. So this is your second equation. So this is your second equation and this is your first equation. Solve these equations, and which value you will get of x and y, then make the number of that. They are not asking the digit, they are asking the number, original number. Okay, fine. Now two more parts are left, fourth and fifth. Fourth, Meena went to a bank, withdraw rupees 2000. She asked through the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. So Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So the let the notes of rupees 50 be x, and let the notes of rupees 100 be y. Okay, so notes of rupees 50. So how much money you have? 50 into 3 150. तो multiply करते हैं ना. Same we will do now in first condition, that because so the first condition is that total amount is rupees 2000. So 50 into x plus 1000 into y. अगर हम दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो ये टोटल अमाउंट हो जाएगी, एंड द टोटल अमाउंट इज रुपीज 2000. So what is the equation? 50x plus 100y equal to 2000, and we can reduce it also. X plus I am dividing by 50, 2y equal to 40. ठीक है. So this is your first equation, and the second equation is very easy, that total notes are 25. So x plus y equal to 25. So this is your second equation. Solve these equations, and they are asking, what they are asking, how many notes of each, means like values of x and y. Now last one I am leaving to you. One equation you should make yourself. So according like I was making the equations, you also form the equations. Fine, it's very easy. Do this whole exercise. If you have any query, you can ask by comment also. Okay, thank you.